what is up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this amazing wash and go. If you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this look, stay tuned. Today I'll be using the crazy color hair wax from Ashley, and I'm using it in the color red. To be honest, it doesn't look very red to me. In the package, it just looks very pink. First impression, it smells like male deodorant, which is strange, but that's how it smells. A very mild male deodorant. Texture is very thick. I have my spray bottle here. I'm just going to wet this section just a tiny bit. Make sure that water is all in there. Then I'm going to take about this much. So I'm going to start from the ends and kind of work it into my hair. I think I want to go with a little bit more of the product because my hair is not as defined as I would like it to be. So I'm just going to add a little bit more. I just keep raking my fingers through it until I feel it naturally starting to separate into curls, and then the ones that do, like this one, I'll just pull it apart. So this is what the first quarter of my hair is looking like. You all seeing this, right? You all seeing this, right? I went ahead and allowed my hair to air dry just for a little bit, and then I went ahead and used the blow dryer to stretch it a little bit, and this is what we have. It definitely looks a lot more burgundy than red. I was expecting it to be a lot more red, but hey, I'm not complaining at all. This looks amazeballs. Like, are you seeing this? Let me know down below in the comment section what you guys think, if you would actually try this hair paint wax. I'll definitely try it again, maybe. Yeah, thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.